are now tuning in to Rhea Cooking at Home. Hey you guys, I'm up here on a Sunday evening, whisking and making, cooking my meals at home. So sit back and relax and enjoy. I had over a 2-pound bag of organic black sesame seed, and I had put it in this jar. So when I'm ready to do my blooming effect, which is toast it in the pan for a few minutes or less than about a minute, and I put the grind into this small jar. So this is raw organic black sesame seed, extremely high in nutrients and very beneficial for the human body. Now if you're allergic to sesame seed, then don't use it. But this is what I like to do, and I came upon ground sesame seed when I was in Thailand. They were selling it at one of the gourmet stores, a box of in individual packets of black sesame seed grinding, or you can add water, hot water to it, or cold milk, and this is where you get your added calcium and other nutrients. Oh yeah, I forgot. I also had grinded up dried ginger with the black sesame after the black sesame seed after I lightly toasted on the stove with no oil for a quick set, no more than in a minute, just to wake it up and get that oil fragrance to come out. And then I put it in the coffee grinder. Hey you guys, I'm up here on a Sunday evening, whisking and making black sesame seed milk. I'm using organic soy milk with vanilla, and what I did was I bloomed raw black sesame seed, just lightly toasted with no oil. Then I grind it up in a coffee grind maker, and I put 1 teaspoon of the black sesame grind And I added a dash of Ceylon cinnamon, and I'm heating it up on the stove with some soy milk. And if you want to sweeten it a bit, you can most likely add either pure maple syrup or honey or date syrup. And people may call this a latte, a black sesame latte, or just hot milk, soy milk with black sesame. Now, black sesame has high calcium in it, and it's very nutritious, high antioxidant because it's black. So this is what it's looking like, and it's boiling up and it's ready. No matter what type of bike you're riding, you must wear a helmet. Okay, so I have some pure maple syrup. I'm just going to only put a little, because I really don't put any sweetener in any of my hot drinks. Just a little to crave my sweet tooth. See? Just enough. Then I'm going to take my hot milk and pour it in. Get all that sesame in. Then I'm going to whisk. And there you have it. I have a black sesame latte.